Exercise 9.7 Word Problems. Number 1. Amarpreet weighs 48 kg. If his younger sister weighs 9/16 of Amarpreet's weight, find her weight. So here we have to find Amarpreet's sister weight. Okay, Amarpreet's sister weight is given in fraction, so that we have to find out. So first we will start with statement. Amarpreet weights equal to 48 kg and his sister weighs 9/16 of Amarpreet weight. So we have to find her weight. So how we will find 9/16 multiply by 48. So see the first fraction, 9/16. 9 and 16 both will not come in same table. So now we will see the opposite. So 48 is the numerator and 16 is the denominator. So we can cut. It is divisible. 48 is divisible by 16. So 16 ones are 16 and 16 threes are 48. So now we will multiply 9 threes are. So 9 threes are 27 kg. So we will write statement down. Amarpreet sister weight is 27 kg. Okay. Now number 2. A carton contains 25 boxes of vegetables. A carton means we can say a container. Okay, it contains how many boxes? 25 boxes of vegetables and each box weighs 49/4 kg. Okay, one box weighs how much? 49/4 kg. Find the weight of vegetable. We have to find the vegetables weight. So first we will write carton contain boxes. How many boxes carton contains? 25 boxes. So we will write 25 boxes. So each box weight, how much each box weighs? 49/4 kg, and we have to find the weight of vegetables. So how we will find? 49/4 multiply by 25. Okay, so now see 49 and 4, this will not come in same table. Okay, and 25 also, here we will not do any divide. So what we will do? First we will multiply, then we will divide. So first we will multiply numerator with numerator. So 49 multiply by 25. So we will start with 5. 5 9s are 45. So 5 we will write down. 4 will be carried over. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4, 24. Then we will start with 2. Before 2 we will write here 0. 2 9s are 18. So 1 we will carry down. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So here we will add 5. 4 plus 8, 12. So 1, 3. 3 plus 9, 12. So we got 1225/4. Now we have to find the weight of the vegetable. So now what we will do? We will now divide this. 1225 divided by 4. So in 4 table 12 will come. Yes, 4 3s are 12. So we will subtract 12 minus 12, 0. So now this 2 we will carry it down. So 2 is a smaller number compared to 4. So 2 digit we will carry down 5. So 25. In 4 we are carrying 2 digit. That time we will write here 0 in quotient. So now in 4 table when 25 will come, it will not come. So we will take 4 6 are 24. So subtract. So 25 minus 24, 1. So we will keep here decimal. So we will write here 0. In 4 table 10 will come. No, so we will take smaller number. 4 2s are 8. So 10 minus 8, it is 2. So 1 decimal we will kept. So here we will write 0. So in 4th table 20 will come. Yes, 4 5s are 20. So 20 minus 20 we will get 0 as a remainder. So what is the weight of the vegetable? Equal to 306.25. So we will write here the weight of vegetable is 306.25 kg. Okay. Now number 3. Rohit takes 11/3 seconds for taking a round of a garden. Okay, full round is taking how many seconds? In 11/3 seconds. How much time would he take to complete 18 rounds of the garden? If we want to take 18 rounds, so how much time it will be required, that we have to find. So Rohit takes 1 round equal to 11/3 seconds. So if we want to take for 18 rounds, so how much time he will require? So we have to find that. So we will write question mark. So 11/3 multiplied by 18. So in 3 table 18 will come. Yes, this numerator and this denominator. So we can divide. So 3 6 18. So now we will multiply 11 multiply by 6. So 66. So Rohit will take 66 seconds to complete 18 rounds of the garden. Number 4. 4/7 of students of a school are girls. Okay, here fraction is given of girls 4/7. If the school has 3,577 students, okay, total students how much is there? How many? 3,577. Find the number of boys in the school. So we have to find the number of boys in the school. But in girls also they have given the fraction. So first we will find out the total number of girls, then we will subtract that girls from total number of students, then we will get total number of boys. So first we will find out the total number of girls. So total students equal to, so first we will write girls in the school. What fractions given? 4/7. Now total students equal to 3,577. So we have to find out number of boys equal to how much? So 4/7 multiplied by 3,577. So first in 7 table 3,577 will come. So we will divide and see first. So 7 5s are 35. So 35 minus 35 we will get 0. Then 7 we will carry down. So 7 1s are 7. And this 7 we will carry down. 7 1s are 7. So 7 511s are 3,577. Now we will multiply. 4 multiplied by 511. So we will multiply. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So total number of girls equal to 2,044 girls. So now total number of students equal to how much there? Total students equal to 3,577. 3,577. And number of girls equal to 2,044. So this we will subtract. So 7 minus 4, 3. 7 minus 4, 3. 5 minus 0, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. So number of boys equal to 1533. So here we will write statement. The number of boys in the school is 1533. Number 5. Amar Singh has a monthly salary of rupees 12,144. He spends 7/12 of it for household expenses and saves the rest by depositing in the bank. Find out his monthly savings. So here Amar Singh's total salary is 12,144 and he spends 7/12 in household expenses and remaining whatever amount there that he is depositing in the bank. So we have to find out how much is monthly savings, how much is depositing in the bank. So first we will write Amar Singh monthly salary equal to rupees 12,144. He spends in household expense is equal to 7/12. We have to find monthly saving. So monthly savings equal to how much? So 7/12 multiplied by 12,144. So 7 is the numerator, 12 is the denominator. Both will not come in same table. Okay, 7 and 12. So now we will see the opposite. So 12,144 is the numerator and 12 is the denominator. So we can divide this. Okay, in ones place it is an even number and 12 is also even number. So it can divisible. So we divide 12,144 divided by 12. So 12 ones are 12. So 12 minus 12 we will get 0. Now we will carry down 1. 1 is a smaller number compared to 12. So we will carry down 2 number. So if we are carrying down 2 numbers, so we will write in quotient 0. So 12 ones are 12. So 14 minus 12, 2. Now 4 is left, that we will carry down. It will become 24. So in 12 table when 24 will come, 12 2s are 24. So 12, 12s are 12,144. Now we will multiply 7 multiply by 1012. So 1012 multiply by 7. 7 2s are 14. So 4 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 7 0s are 0. 7 1s are 7. So we got 7,084. Is spending household expense 7,084. So we will find now how much he is saving. So total salary. So total salary equal to 12,144 and he spends, how much he spends? 7,084. We have to subtract and then we will get is saving. So 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 8 is possible? No. So from 1 we will borrow. So 1 will become 0 and this 4 will become 14. So 14 minus 8 we will get 6. 0 minus 0, 0. From 2 minus 7 is also not possible. So we have to borrow from 1. So this 1 will become 0 and this 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 7, 5. So his monthly savings equal to, so his monthly saving is 5,006 rupees, 5,006.